Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin setting up for a 30% pump. But when will it happen? That's the question. What remains to be seen is, will the Bitcoin bulls come down here and put in some type of double bottom? That would be good breakout structure. Bottom line is this: down on the RSI, there's definitely room for more downside, another drive lower. You want to see a double bottom here for reversal ideas. When this trend line breaks out, I'm looking for 30% move to the upside out of Bitcoin. We're going to buy into strength. We're going to jump into these altcoins. We're going to make a ton of money banging. Until then, how are we going to play this? This is a 4-hour Bitcoin chart. I posted earlier today. Support needs to hold. Here's support. Support needs to hold. Essentially, you had a little bit of a bear trap. You came down here to the lower trend line. Support held temporarily, but I mean, look, this has been happening. Like, why is this any different? Look, pump, rolls over, pump, rolls over even more, puts in a lower low, right? Pump, rolls over, pump. How do we know if this is going to be different? And we don't. What you want to see is, at some point, you want to see a double bottom or a higher low for reversal ideas. Bitcoin's sitting at major support. If it's going to bounce somewhere, this is going to be an option, right? You could see a move down here to 40,000 and then a bounce. But if this level breaks, you've got some price targets down here: 39,000, 38,600, even 38,000. So understand the bulls have a ton of work to do to turn things around here. But when they do turn things around, you're going to see some explosive price moves out of Bitcoin and the altcoins, because the reason why altcoins do so well in this market, because they get completely destroyed. And that's why I don't hold downtrends. This is the Bitcoin idea we talked about in multiple videos. If this high was lower than this high, you get this type of downtrend, and here we are. Right, just bounced off of 41,200 bullish candle to the upside over the last few hours. Now, will the next low be a higher low? That would give us this like inverse head and shoulders type idea, where bottom line is this: you want the next low to be a higher low or double bottom. If you want to break out of this falling wedge, out of this downtrend, you need a reversal idea. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person's up about $5,000 on a couple trades shorting the market. This person, want to thank you for the biggest knowledge dump, made out like a bandit. He's up $8,000 in a week. This person started off in the group with $1,000, worked up to $101,000. Now he's lost a little bit, but he's still at $79,000. I mean, that's 7,900% gains. 79x his money. Banging. The reason why we're hitting these crazy multiples is because we're in the best coins. That you've got to be in the right coins in this market, period. If you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorevnet. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorevnet. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Coin weekly chart, it comes down to this. If you want to see any type of upside out of Bitcoin, you need the bulls to break out, retest of this trend line, of this key level that's been lost and been retested. Very valid, very strong overhead resistance. This is now the ceiling. It used to be the floor. Major reversals have happened here. Now it's a very strong ceiling, and the bulls can't put a break above this. Looking for more downside. Everybody wanted Wall Street to be here, and guess what? Wall Street's here. Now this market's changed. This market is you versus everybody else. So if everybody new coming into this market, if it's a bunch of retail noob traders that have no idea what they're doing, then it's good for us. Like, we're going to take their money. But it's Wall Street. You do not know what Wall Street is thinking with these ideas we talk about time and time again on this channel. You're going to struggle. this market, you can make a lot of money very fast and you can lose a lot of money very fast. The bottom line is you're competing against everybody else. You have to be better than at least some people. When it's FOMO, hype, mania, rally, it's easier to be better than most of the market, right? It's a greater fool theory. There's always a greater fool that wants to buy whatever you have or whatever you're buying and selling at a higher price than you do. Everything just moon edition. Now, it's more challenging. So you have to make the most of this market. You have to understand all these ideas. This could have been a double bottom. We were looking for a potential double bottom. You have some bullish divergence. There's some bounce ideas, but when the S&P 500 closed, you had a breakdown of this. See this trend line, double bottom, reversal, falling wedge, breakout, reversal, right? Every time it came down here, it reversed except for this one. And then you got a bearish retest. So if this doesn't break back up into the pattern, you could see downside continuation for the S&P 500 index, which is not good for the Bitcoin bulls or hasn't been in the past. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.